Hi there and welcome. As the title says, we are going to be making bison burgers using the air fryer. Now, if you've never had bison, the best way I can describe it is it doesn't have such a beefy flavor than regular ground beef. It's more mild. I really think if you weren't told that you were having a bison burger, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference from ground beef. And a little known fact, bison is 69% higher in iron than regular ground beef. So if you're low on iron, you might want to consider eating more bison. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I have a pound of ground bison. You can pretty much get ground bison anywhere now. I have seen it at Walmart. I picked this one up at Aldi. I will get this out of the package. We'll make some patties and season these up and throw them in the air fryer. I already went ahead and made one patty. I'm just going to make two today, so I'll go ahead and do the other one here real quick. All right. You can season these up however you like. I'm going to use the McCormick garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. I will season both sides. And the other side. And into the air fryer basket they go. Okay, let's go pop these into the air fryer. The air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Halfway through, we will flip these over. Once we flip them over, I'm going to add a little bit of sliced onion to these. Let's make a little sauce for our bison burgers. In here, I have about a half a cup of mayonnaise. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of stone ground mustard. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, probably about a teaspoon. Give this a good mix. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit of freshly ground peppers. I'm going to take a little taste to see if we need to add anything. I think I will add just a little bit more of the stone ground mustard, and I'm going to call this good. All right, we are 6 minutes in of our 12. I'm going to flip these over real quick. I have these flipped. Now I'm just taking some slices of onion and I'm going to place one on each one of these. I'm going to put this back in and let it go for the remaining 6 minutes. Time is up. This is what I did. I had to add more time because these were not done at 12 minutes. I want a total of 20 minutes. So when I go to make these again, I'm going to do 20 minutes, 10 minutes on the first side, 10 minutes on the other. I am going to add some cheese to these. I'm going to go ahead and take off these onions. I'm going to just pop this back in the air fryer. I'm not going to turn it on. About a minute, that cheese is going to be nice and melted. The cheese is melted. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to toast my buns. I have my buns. I just went ahead and put a little bit of butter on top here. If you're afraid that your buns are going to go flying around, you can put a rack on top if you want. So 2 minutes, 400 degrees, and these should be nice and toasted. Let's build this burger. And our mayo that we made earlier. So if you like this video, I think you would also like these, especially this one. Oh my goodness. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.